This is Daniel. He's an equipment supervisor of a large factory. One aspect of his job is to evaluate the operation of the machines and perform maintenance when they're deemed defective. But soon, the factory will waste a lot of time and money. You know why? There's a defect in one of the main conveyor belts that is not noticeable yet. To prevent such problems, DynaPredict is the perfect solution for Daniel. DynaPredict is a wireless device that monitors acceleration and temperature periodically and performs spectral analysis. With an autonomy of 3 years, it records the information in its internal memory so the technician can download the data via Bluetooth. As a result, you can predict failures and wear, avoiding greater losses. DynaPredict provides a much more effective maintenance. Contact us and request a quotation.